Ever wished you could get paid up front for the work you do? Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or even a service provider, getting paid on time can be a real headache. But what if I told you there's a way to get paid instantly, even before you've delivered your services? Imagine this: you're a freelance writer, you've landed a fantastic project, but the client's payment terms are less than ideal. You're facing weeks, even months, before you see a dime. This can seriously impact your cash flow, making it tough to cover expenses and invest in your business. Sound familiar? Enter Beforepay. This innovative platform allows you to get paid instantly for your upcoming invoices. It's like a financial lifeline that bridges the gap between when you complete your work and when you actually receive payment. Now, the burning question: who exactly can benefit from Beforepay? The good news is, it's designed to be incredibly inclusive. Here's a breakdown. Freelancers, writers, designers, developers, consultants, if you work independently, Beforepay can be a game changer. Small business owners, from local shops to online retailers, Beforepay can help manage cash flow and ensure you always have the funds you need to operate smoothly. Service providers, hairstylists, massage therapists, even home repair professionals, anyone who provides a service can leverage Beforepay to get paid faster. Essentially, Beforepay purchases your outstanding invoices at a slight discount. This allows you to receive the funds immediately, giving you the financial freedom to invest in your business, pay your bills, or simply enjoy a little peace of mind. Improved cash flow. The most significant benefit is the immediate access to funds, which can significantly improve your financial stability. Reduced stress. No more worrying about late payments or chasing down clients for outstanding invoices. Faster growth. With improved cash flow, you can invest in marketing, hire new talent, and expand your business more quickly. Now, you might be wondering about the costs. While there's a small discount associated with using Beforepay, it's often a worthwhile investment for the peace of mind and the boost to your cash flow. So, if you're tired of waiting for payments and ready to take control of your finances, Beforepay could be the solution you've been looking for. Visit their website to learn more and see if you qualify. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.